I'm gonna get another one.
Other leaves?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll grab some leaves for you.
I can't.
Oh, Daddy. From the tree, Daddy.
Oh, gotcha, Daddy.
Why are we eating my food? Wait, why are you He's eating us.
Wow, that's a lot.
Mommy, I'll forget.
Okay. Go, Ate. Come here, Ate. Here.
We have to get some goat. We have to get some goat.
Ah!
Yeah, that's how it is. Hey, no, the goat eating the stick.
Ate, hold it.
Eating the stick.
Here, Kai. Kai, go to this one.
He likes it.
Yeah.
He's eating the stick as well.
Ate, the goat. Ate, diri, Ate, oh.
Like leaves? Like leaves?
Ate, smile. So what are you doing right now?
I'm eating the goat. Oh, he's eating it. Oh.
Come on, go. Feed it.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Oh, he ate it. Are we feeding them?
Okay. Ito na sa baboy. Let's go to the pig now.
You just rip it out of her hand.
Not yet?
These are mean. Does anyone want sleep?
Ate.
Does anyone want a stick?
Okay, bye-bye na. Not yet?
I said let's go.
We're here at All McDonald's. All McDonald. You like this place?
Yeah, I like it.
Huh?
It's a lamb.
Okay.
I said it's a lamb now.
Okay.
Oh no. Oh, look at that. A
Aw.
donkey.
A donkey?
Yeah. Can I see like a...
What's that?
Pig.
Can you say hi, Piggy? Hi.
Hi. Hi, pig. What?
They don't need their money, not
The pig said, oink, oink.
Okay.
Can I climb here?
No. Don't touch the fence. Oh.
Mommy, can you reach me?
Do you want to touch the piggies?
Yeah.
Oh, they're so cute. Ah! What's this doing?
They're running. I like it.
Oh, watch out. No, Ate. Just stay on his side.
I like it.
Oh, really? Oops. Okay.
Hey, they put peas in here.
Okay. Is there other animals in here?
Yeah.
Aww.
I jumped. Hey, hi, playground. There's no animals there.
There, the horsey. Just the horsey. There is a horsey up there.
Oh, yeah.
Bye, horsey.
Let's go over there.